When you buy a standard life insurance policy to protect your family, you are checking a box. But if your net worth is scaling, a high end corporate tool called Private Placement Life Insurance, PPLI, lets you turn life insurance into a massive tax free investment wrapper. Think of a standard investment account like an open porch during a rainstorm. Every time your investments pay out dividends or capital gains, the IRS steps in and takes a cut. Private Placement Life Insurance, PPLI, acts like an institutional grade glass dome over your investments. It is not the retail insurance you see advertised on TV. It is an advanced financial shell designed strictly for high net worth families. You place highly taxed investments, like hedge funds, private credit, or high yield real estate, directly inside the insurance structure. Because the assets are technically sitting inside an insurance policy, the IRS rules completely change. All the growth, interest, and dividends compound at a 0% tax rate. The simple math: imagine an investor putting $2 million dollars into a high yield private credit fund that generates a 10% annual return, $200,000 a year, facing a combined 40% top tax bracket. The standard way: they hold the investment in a regular account. Every year, they owe $80,000 in taxes on that yield. Over 10 years, this recurring tax drag chops a massive hole in their compounding wealth. The PPLI way: they fund the investment through a structured PPLI wrapper. The $200,000 in annual gains stays entirely inside the policy. The result: the annual tax bill on those gains drops to $0. The full amount compounds uninterrupted, and the wealth can eventually be accessed tax free or passed down to heirs completely income tax free. This turns an administrative expense, insurance, into a highly customized tax shelter. It is an institutional framework that shifts your most heavily taxed investments into a permanent legal zero tax environment. Smart wealth management means looking past off the shelf retail products and using the tax code's built in structural rules to maximize your balance sheet's compounding efficiency. To evaluate whether a private placement life insurance wrapper fits your investment portfolio, contact Lone Wolf Wealth Management to schedule a structural capital review. Regulatory disclosures: Lone Wolf Wealth Management is a registered investment advisor. This content is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute personalized investment, legal, or tax advice. Firm CRD 340537.